Hi dear students, thank you very much for learning IT fundamentals. In this chapter we discuss about the software. Actually the software is very important and very big part of the information technology. Here just we go through for introduction of software. Software is generic name of all programs made up of code integrated by hardware. The softwares made by code which integrated to softwares. Anything, any performance will be do with the computer with help of software. Written in programming language like Java, C, C++, and many other languages which are the mostly make software developing. There are many software developing tools: desktop software developing, web software developing, app developments, cloud computing, web development. There are many kinds of softwares. Two kind of software: system software, application software. The main 2 points: what is the system software, what is the application software. System softwares: the system softwares which the operate system of computer, which call operating systems. Mostly operating systems which are operate the any hardware, any system, any electronic devices, it's use the system software. Mostly we call it operating system. There are many kind of operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, iOS. For mobiles, Android and iOS. These are system softwares which are the integrated with hardware of computer, mobile or tablets. Files, store management, error correction, piece of operating system. The driven program of computer communication between all programs in the hardware, controlling timing and sequence of event, manage data to ensure security and integrity. Windows, Mac and Linux, Unix. These Windows is built for Microsoft and other for open sources. Open source is the programming any software which the source code is available free. Anyone, any software engineer, software developer can modify, change according to their requirements. These are the open source softwares, and like Windows, they source not available. You don't have authorized to change, modify anything in the softwares. The Linux open source mean you can change it according to your requirements. Application softwares: the application softwares which are the users designs for helping performing any task according to the user's requirement. Suppose you want to perform any calculations or make sheet of employees any office, so you need Microsoft Office, Excel for the creating employees sheets. These are called application software which are outside to computers. You can install it by or can download from internet availables depending on the different application softwares which help the customers to use according to your requirements, depending on your requirements. How software is made involve a cycle of research, analyzing and developing, testing. Because the software developing is not easy task, it's involve the research cycle. You analyze the requirements first of what kind of software you need. Suppose we talk point of sale or distributed management system. Distributed management system, we are going to make a software for medicines distribution system. So first off, we just analyze requirement of the distributions, what is the requirements, how they manually work. We all analyze their requirements, then we analyze their requirements which are going to be computerized. Then we start developing that process. After develop that process, then we can test it, how it's working, it's performing good. These process involve in software developing. System analyzing, study the business process, design and software. Programmers develop the software. The mostly software engineers working in the software houses who help designing softwares depending on the customer requirements. Problems with softwares. Software is complex, difficult to test, can have bugs because the developing process it take time huge. So the other team, quality insurers and testings, who test, analyze the softwares, find out the bugs of the softwares, where they have any bugs, they analyze it, then market it. Graphical user interface, GUI. It is the most important for the software developing because keep the point of the customers. Mostly the customers like graphical user interface. So that's you must be design a software. During the software you keep user friendly front end and design of your software, because the every people easy can understand and like to use your softwares. The main important thing is the user interface, because if we talk about the old softwares like DOS operating system, so that's can work it anyone, but the use graphicals not interfaces, therefore the any user don't like to work on it. Therefore every customer want to graphical user interface for their softwares. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you in next video lecture.